Hey friend, it is LaMorvielle and welcome back to Brand Impact 365. All right, so today I got a big reminder about something that isn't glamorous, but it makes all the difference in your business. And that is systems. Yeah, let me tell you what happened today that made me rethink some things, okay? Now, this morning I had a long list of things to do, right? Content to make, shows to plan, pages to update, and just life happening in the background too, right? And I found myself thinking if I don't have a plan for days like this, then my whole business could actually fall apart, right? And that's when I got that big, right? Okay, motivation, it's not enough to just be motivated, right? You have to have some type of system in play. Okay. You can be inspired one day and then the next day you feel overwhelmed. It's like you can be focused today and then you feel drained tomorrow, right? Systems will carry you in your business when your energy just can't, right? And then that's something that's very strong. That's something that every strong brand actually understands. So instead of trying to push through everything on my list, I stopped and reorganized how I do things. Okay. I made a simple system for when I post, how I record, what topics I choose, how I plan content, and then how I keep everything organized, right? But I make sure that nothing is complicated, just simple, clear steps that I can fall back on even when I'm tired. Even if I'm busy or not even feeling creative at the moment. I noticed as soon as I did this, something happened right away, right? I felt like my stress went down, my clarity went up, and my business felt more manageable again, right? I didn't feel so overwhelmed. And sometimes that's the problem. It's not that we're not consistent, okay? It's really that we're trying to run our business without any type of clear system in play. We're just going with the flow, which sometimes that's okay. But when you have a system, right, that's what makes things structured and just helps you get things done again when you just don't have the energy to do it. So if your business is feeling chaotic, that doesn't really mean you're bad at your business, okay? It just means that you need some type of system in play. So systems are not like, and don't think of systems like they're rules, right? They're more just to help you support and make sure that that you have some guidance as to what needs to get done and when. A system gives you structure, okay? Especially on busy days, it gives you direction when you just feel like you've lost some confidence, and we all go through that. I still go through that, okay? It also helps when you're feeling overwhelmed. It gives you consistency, right? When all your motivation is gone. And consistency is what grows your brand, your community, and your income, which is important. The brands that look disciplined are actually just following systems that work for them, their business, and their brand. Here's something quick and powerful that you can do, okay? Pick one area of your business and create a simple 3-step system for it. So, for example, a content system. Pick a topic, share a lesson, and add one takeaway, right? That's a 3-step system there. Here's another example, a customer system, right? So, welcome, share value, and follow up. Simple, right? It's not too hard. Here's one more example for you, okay? A posting system, okay? So, record, edit lightly, and post. Right? Make it simple and make it something that you can repeat. Okay. Make it yours. Customize it to your own brand and business. Even one clear system can make your whole business feel lighter. All right, friend, that is today's episode. Remember now, motivation comes and motivation goes, but systems keep your brand going even on the days when your life gets super busy. All right, friend, thank you so much for your support again. Please remember to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.